Hey there everyone, it's Laura Myers for CMS-Connected, and I'm here with Chris McNulty, the Senior Product Manager at Microsoft.
Hi Laura.
How are you?
Good.
Good. Now, we know that user adoption is a big focus for you guys, so what does that mean for the future of SharePoint?
So, it's a great question. What's really important to remember is that user adoption isn't just sending a link to someone. So if I send you a link and you click on it and you go to a SharePoint homepage, yes, we've got adoption. What makes it really powerful is usage. And so what's important for us to do, and as we look at the future of the product, is to keep crafting compelling experiences that make you want to keep coming back. And some of that are things that we've been doing and announcing ever since our May 4th event this year about the future of SharePoint and how we modernize SharePoint.
Yeah.
So making sure that we're crafting pages that are beautiful, easy to use, look great in any device. And some of it's about being able to orchestrate information with the SharePoint framework, letting you carve out custom pages and custom applications to do more than just be a list of documents.
And what's your advice for organizations that may have invested a lot of time and resources in an on-prem format in terms of using the online experience, and when's a good time to transition?
So now is always a great time to transition to online. So it's really guided by operational reasons for how long an organization expects to transform into being principally online. And for some organizations, that's going to be years or even longer. One of the things that we are trying to make sure that we're doing is making sure that we've got the best hybrid experiences. Not everything that we do translates into an on-premises model. Technologies like Delve are just too big and too scaled on an Azure cloud to fit them into an on-premises server. So for services like that, like video, like OneDrive, we want to make sure that we are creating as seamless an experience and navigation as possible for those on-premises users. So in terms of whether to go, the truth of the matter is you can go at your own terms. It may be, I just want to use hybrid search, or I want to use hybrid navigation and see a master view of all of my sites on-premises and cloud, and be able to move back and forth among them without having to remember this farm is over here and the cloud is over there. So hybrid's really the most important technology people can look at to smooth the path into Office 365. And the other thing that we have at Microsoft, a service we call Fast Track, is a set of tools and migration capabilities designed to help you adopt and adapt and get your information there quicker.
Now, are there Office 365 tools that you'd recommend to up an organization's user adoption?
Well, Fast Track, as I mentioned, is definitely has lots of guidance, not just on migration, but also on best practices for users and for training and so forth. The other thing that I think is a really powerful tool is Planner. It's part of the Office 365 suite, and it's one of the things that people just get because most organizations do have processes and tasks that they need to coordinate amongst multiple people. People look at it, they get it, they keep coming back, and it's closely tied to SharePoint and to the navigation and the documents that you post in Planner or SharePoint documents, and so Planner is really a great way to showcase that for users.
Well, we really appreciate you taking the time to talk to us today. I imagine you're a very busy guy, so I really appreciate it.
Great to talk to folks today.
Thank you.
Enjoy the rest of the show.
Bye.